Okay, my dear students, coming to the example 2 is for the Hungarian method. For the example 2 Hungarian method, nothing but an assignment method in the previous class. Assignment problem Hungarian method. For the example 2, this is the given table. This is the each task, individual task, A task, B task, and C task, and D task. These are the individual mans A, B, C, D. These are the men we are providing for the each task. And how should the task be allocated one to a man so as minimize the total man hours? So as to minimize the total man hours. And coming to the solution, we have to find out row reduction and column reduction. In row reduction, coming to the row reduction, and identify in row wise which is the smallest element in the first row. In the first row, what is 11 is the smallest element. 11 is the smallest element. 11 is the smallest element. We are subtracting that element from each element in the row. 18 minus 11, adding of 7. 26 minus 11, adding of 15. 17 minus 11, getting of 6. 11 minus 11, getting of 0. And the second row, coming to the second row, which is the smallest element in the second row, 13 is the smallest element. 13 minus 13, getting of 0. 28 minus 13, getting of 15. 14 minus 13, getting of 1. 26 minus 13, getting of 13. And coming to the third row, which is the smallest element, 15 is the smallest element. 38 minus 15, getting of 23. 19 minus 15, getting of 4. 18 minus 15, getting of 3. And 15 minus 15, getting of 0. And coming to the fourth row, which is the smallest element, 10 is the smallest element. And subtracting each element from that each element. Okay, here 19 minus 10, getting of 9. And 26 minus 10, getting of 16. 24 minus 10, getting of 14. 10 minus 10, getting of 0. This is called the row reduction. And coming to the column reduction, column wise reduction, which is the smallest element in this column, 0 is the smallest element. Okay, we are subtracting that particular small element from each element of the particular column. Okay, 7 minus 0, 7, and 0 minus 0, 0. 23 minus 0, 23, and 9 minus 0, getting of 9. Here in this, coming to second column, 4 is the smallest element. 4 is the smallest element. Subtracting 4 from each element. 15 minus 4, getting of 11. 15 minus 4, getting of 11. And 4 minus 4, getting of 0. And 16 minus 4, getting of 12. And coming to the third column, which is the smallest element, 1 is the smallest element. And 6 minus 1, getting of 5. 1 minus 1, getting of 0. 3 minus 1, getting of 2. And 14 minus 1, getting of 13. Here in this you are having most cases of 0. Subtracting 0 from each element, we are getting the same elements from in this column also. 0, 13, 0, 0 means getting of 0. All repeated elements only we are getting here. Okay. 13 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. The same elements are existing in this column because there is no greater element is there. Okay. This is the column reduction. Coming to the reduction matrix, row, how many rows are there? 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. How many columns are there? In assignment, after reduction matrix, we are getting assignments for only 4 rows and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Having assignment for the 4 rows, only assignment for the 3 columns. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, do not have any assignment. So it is not optimal assignment. We improve the matrix. for row 4 and column 3, row 4 means fourth row, and column 3 for the column 3 and row 4 and column 3 do not have any assignment. For row 4 and column 3 do not have any assignment, so it is not optimal assignment. Improve the matrix. And how is the assignment we are placing? The row assignment, in this row we having a 1 0 means one assignment. In this second row having a 2 zeros. Later on we check it for the assignment. In this row also we having a 2 zeros. Next, in this row also we having a 1 0. For this 1 0, we already in this column we having an assignment. The rest of extra zeros we are crossing. Okay, this is the first column. Suppose in this column we taking for the assignment, we are drawing box here, and rest of extra zeros we are crossing. And for the second for this for the third column, here is the 0. Okay, and the third column, and coming to the second column, here is the only single 0 is there, therefore we are placing the assignment, we are drawing the box. In the first column we are having assignment single 0, that's where we are drawing the box for the assignment. In this particular row, extra 0 is there, no, that's why we are crossing. While checking this reduction matrix, again I am explaining, that's why the same in this reduction matrix, fourth row and column 3 do not have any assignment, so it is not optimal assignment. We improve the matrix. For improving the matrix, we are doing some additions. For improving the matrix, just for the what are the rows we are having the assignments, we are drawing the line for the assignments. Here having assignment in this row only single assignment is there, there is no to draw the line. For the second row we having a assignment and also having a extra 0, for that we are drawing the line. In this third row also we having a single 0 assignment and also an extra 0, we are crossing this. Is also having a 1 extra 0 there, that's why we are drawing the line. For the fourth row having a single 0, just only crossed, that's why we don't draw the line. For the rows, unticked rows, these are the unticked rows. This is the row we are just unticked. And ticked columns, this is the column we have ticked. This is the column, because in this column also single 0, in this column also single 0, in this column also single 0, in this column we having a more than 1 0, 3 zeros are there, that's why we are drawing a line here, For after drawing lines, just we are going with the unticked and ticked. We are just putting a tick for the column, we are putting a unticked for the drawing lines. This means for drawing lines there is no tick mark here. For the second row and third row there is no tick mark here. For the second row and third row we are putting a tick mark for the first row and fourth row, because there is no line for the first row and fourth row. And coming to the column also, there is no tick for the columns there is no tick mark for the column also, for the first column, for the second column, for the third column. Here in the fourth column we have to put a tick mark, because we draw the line for the fourth column, because we having a more than one assignment more than 1 0 we have in the fourth column. That's why we are putting a tick mark here. Okay. Now coming to the just a small conditions we are applying for the element which are covered line, element which are covered and uncovered. For covered line, just intersection plus x. For uncovered, we are detecting minus x. What is this x value? The elements which are not drawn, identifying the smallest element which are not drawn elements. There is no line for the particular element passing for the uncovered elements. Okay. This is the uncovered element, 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 this is the uncovered element. 7, 11, 5, 9, 12, 13. Which is the smallest one? 5 is the smallest one. 5 is the smallest one. For the 5, therefore we are getting x equal to 5. Okay. Subtracting. Why we are subtracting? For the here we are having a condition. Uncovered element minus x. Uncovered element we are detecting the x value. X value is 5. For uncovered element we are having 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 11 minus 5 getting of 6. And 5 minus 5 getting of 0. Okay. Next 9 minus 5 getting of 4. 12 minus 5 getting of 7. 13 minus 5 getting of 8. Only we are detecting the smallest element from which are uncovered elements. Uncovered elements 7, 11, 5, 9, 12, 13. These are covered elements. These are the covered elements because already we are drawn for the second row and third row and the fourth column. Okay. And coming to this condition. And which is the intersection point here? Second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column, and third row and fourth column. Here in second row, fourth column, we have an intersection point 13 is their element. And third row, fourth column, we having a 0. There is 0 is not considerable. In the 13th element, because this is the intersection element, in the intersection element we have to detect the smallest element 5. That we have to add the intersection plus 5 intersection plus 5 that's why we are adding the particular element for the intersection element. Okay, smallest element. We are adding the smallest element for the intersection element. This is the intersection element. We are adding the uncovered smallest element. We are adding the smallest element. 13 plus 5 getting of 18. The rest of elements are which in the same manner. In the file for the second row, fourth column also, for the 0 case also we are adding the element 5. 0 plus 5, here also getting 5. Only we are adding the elements to the intersection elements only, 13 and 0. 13 plus 5 getting of 8, 0 plus 5 getting of 5. And rest of elements in the same manner. Okay. We're coming to the after getting assignment for the each row. Here we having assignment, second row we having assignment, third row we having assignment, and fourth row we having assignment. In the column also we having assignment, in the column also we having assignment, in the third column also we having assignment, in the fourth column also we having assignment. We're coming to the after getting an optimal solution of man hours. A row C column is okay, A row C column is 17 hours. A row C column is 17 hours. Okay, 17. Next B row A column. B row A column. B row A column is the 13 hours. Next C row B column 19 hours. Okay. C row B column. C row B column is 19 hours. And next D row D column is D row D column is the 10 hours. Therefore we are we are adding all hours. How much we are getting? 15 hours for each person for doing a single task. How many hours for each person getting? 15 hours for doing a single task. We are getting a 15 hours. Okay, my dear students. Thank you, my dear students.